Gatagati Nimagunikite na kipande kia Muigana igere turuma ithatu. Kigina kiu Kirongoreirio gukorwo gigiteithiriria atumia na kana atumia Mbeu Njithi oro ndumwe na andu aria Maikaraga na Mawathe mwena uyu. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kuheana ceki ici muthi wa ira, munini wa komishina wa Kisumu ya Gatagati ni Moses Lang'ate na agikoretwo akiuria kana ni akigathiririe ikundi na iria ciragikorirwo igikinyaniria ikiro cia gukorwo ikiheo kigina giki na kumathingata yagirire ni gukorwo magikuria biacara-ini ciao.
Urban Mwangi, I'm from Uwezo Fund headquarters, loans and credit unit. Today we are here in Kisumu Central to give out checks to beneficiaries. We've given out money to 16 groups. 3 of these groups are getting money for the second and third time, and for the first time. This money, the Uwezo Fund money we give to beneficiaries within the constituency, it's constituency based, and this money is interest free. And we give out to groups that are doing startups, that are doing expansion for their enterprises. And the fund is has representatives from the wards.
My name is Langat Posek, Deputy County Commissioner, Kisumu Central. We are here specifically to tell the businessmen and ladies around here that their businesses are secure. It is also a way of alleviating the unemployment because the government cannot employ everybody. It wasn't difficult for the government to put these monies into salaries, but we cannot employ everybody. It is in that realization that you start your own business, do more, and you become a larger employer than the government as businessmen.
Constituency, Uwezo Funds Committee. So we are here today to witness and disburse checks to groups that qualified, the 16 groups. I know our groups are happy. It's been a long wait, but today we want to say we are happy because at least we're in the verge of receiving money and making it to use just as other fellow Kenyans.
Ripoti yo kuma kaunti ya Kisumu niyo